that institution with a lot of respect. It's called Mangu High School.
Oh, Mangu High School.
Oh, yes.
They were trending yesterday.
It's a prestigious school with a serious track record and a very credible, heavy alumni. Yes.
100 years of excellence.
Centenary celebrations in Mangu well in. And institution na a lot of impact in this great nation.
Na tugithoma kwanja twi rugongori.
Yes.
It's one of the institutions twaturatwiriragiria.
Ona haria ha selection ya thukuru ri. Mundu ajagia na Mang'u. Yes.
Ogicagura cukuru cia national.
Actually Mang'u engioire andu aria othe mamicaguraga ri. I don't know what they would put those students. Yes.
Ora ndio ngaiganira ha.
It is just by the hive. Ndio na wasagura Mang'u ri. Tondu ngai tutotietirwo Mang'u ri. Ogithio uthoma rugongo ri. Nu amezuka kona. Yo. Ay.
Ugacoka ukaririkana kiria wageire.
Yes. So ukaririkana ni wahutirie the kidogo. Ni wathie na rimu ki results. Ukimenya ti Mang'u medie kwa wita.
Ni magithi ciaku.
Yes. Wona Mang'u ugacoka ukona Broadways karibu theka ukamenya ni mumano naki. Because Mang'u is still a very prestigious institution. And they have an aviation department. And of course the spectacle over the weekend a Boeing 737.
Ni maraheirwo Boeing ihurukitio wira ni kambuni ya Kenya Airways.
Yes. Of course for training purposes. It is still in working condition. You know, flight hours, what have you. But for training purposes, that is a mega milestone.
And I understand Ndege yobukagio ni Captain Karauri.
Yes.
MP wa Kasarani.
Oh, Captain Karauri.
Yes, he flew that plane.
Oh, wonderful. I didn't know that.
And he's an alumni of Mangu High School.
Oh, wow. So now that is the alumni of Mang'u. They bring the school a Boeing 737-700. Oh, yes. Wewe alumni kule ulisomea utapeleka nini? Miaraho mega wahota ukondo ukiota gutwara ndege. Miaraho mega yo na maundu hii ratari manene. Noka ukanini we na koneki ucio katie na kuria wathomeire.
Oto maheire talk. Encouragement.
See, for some of us who went to polling station schools, we are wowed. We are very wowed. One is an unfathomable for some of our schools. Okay, what I get on the lady. I don't know which to Ndege, you know, I do.
You see, one, go transport in Yamuyo.
Yes, the
logistics is quite something.
Yes. Ona dirone haria wadu hure nwe he kona hakuhe degree 160
tika wadu no na muranga ha mai
ngihura
kona yo
kwenda crowd about karaga itu kaiga na egu ne kugia thamo cio curu ri
haiwezi piga hiyo roundabout
igera irio huhi Ega bata kararia bana and you see cukuru akue cito ciothe cia rugongori murimani ri ukima bara they have a very sharp corner
very sharp
ona cukuru cia gura bathi mamba gukiria
ona maboza gokinya gucenjia gate
yes todo thio kona kivao and a 90-degree turn.
Mashoke mathime igirire scan ya 61 seater.
Yes. Look for some wacenjia gate. You see this plane? Assuming on muge matigo kimire hena farai. They fly it. It lands where?
Cukuru cia rugongo, if you have to fly a plane.
Nyagatogori.
Weka X.
Kihoya ri.
X.
Okamuthania thomeire gweta watia.
Kiagonyi.
Kiagonyi. Ndio cukuru ya muthoni.
Mukiagonyi.
Kiagonyi. The time they changed it to St. Felicity, then they reverted back to Kiagonyi. You see, ona ngoro ikienda utanahira ndege ri. Ndirona haria ndege ngeigua wa Njohi secondary.
Cukuru cia Rugongo njui ingiumba ndege.
Yes.
No Njumbi High School.
They have a runway.
Not a runway, but they have quite a field.
The men are
But their
field is not even. I know one is on top, the other one is.
Makihosta games cia county.
No, these are not county games. This is aviation. You see, you have to give it up to the Mangu alumni. And the mother challenge you know to show school to get it to get my to get there. Toto ona tukienda ona tuiko tu na hinya wa kugura ndege ri. No to be to get me yo.
Thukuru wothe otogotwo.
Na ciana cia beithia mucie just in case.
Ireho kwi hurinde ciana cie mucie.
Mame kone. Because actually a Boeing a 737 tondu nie ngikorwo I'm an aviation enthusiast. Ni require runway at least 2 kilometers.
Oh. Ate
and I will ask Captain this former MP of Madhya.
Mheshimiwa wa Bogo.
Yes. I'll confirm that with him. You have a 3 kilometers. Kilometer igere hare yengo ri wenderi.
Othiete nginya nja wa sub county.
Wenderi okiunera karugia. And that is just to fly it.
The kilometer igere.
No, a kilometer to 2 for takeoff. You know, you know, the takeoff. You get the Kenya speed they go V1 so that it can rotate and fly. Neri kwa hadu haraihu. Yes.
Na tukiari horo wa kilometer igire hatigakorwo na anything.
No, just the runway. So to get the 737 Max not Max, this one. Ikiwa yo bokeri, iko speed yake do 250 kilometers per hour to 350. So it means nego thiaga. Leo nura kiono kimitwara kago hiri. Kana bicho pusisa gatimu.
Hata mahigare.
Nyaka hura nyaka peskori. Weza tia kule mora matho meire ndi.
Muthithi.
Oyu ni utano ngiurira ngoro. Ukirongoria cukuru ta kibesko.
Kibesko nima.
Kigumo bendera. These feats can only be done in schools like Mang'u,
Alliance,
the Kenya High, Alliance. Cukuru si wari.
Tondu ni mari ona keheri horo wa runway.
Yes.
Nyamu yo no ngimirora ni rona ti nyamu nini.
Yes.
Some institution matiri na space ingefiti kindu that big.
Nyamu yo ngimitwara gwitu yego secondary kiharo ri. Ni andu mathakagire micii maoka thuku. Ogitora Mr. Keiwe omure mwarimu no toigeha akimura
no maothire kiharo
tina uru to kumuhoya mumetwe bia
tuongerere irathi
tuongerere mahabara.
They have other challenges.
We will not be priority down there. Because actually, on a Kiriago Kari, Tarun Haria Mang, probably on a Igiri and the locals around there because they used to sing some aircraft around there. And not bother. I don't Magu Hurako Nafi.
The Kuru give also with a Gamudena, Kanamada,
who are visiting hours
to allow even villagers.
The community. No, babu ile tuachie tu Mang'u na kina Karaoli. Ndo ithuĩ tũririkanaga thukuru mũndũ akĩenda gwĩtia gĩtĩ gĩa kĩũteti no thia ũnyitĩte microscope ithatũ.
Anyway. Kongole, Mangu High School.
Kongole kede jamani.
At 100.
Oh, yes, centenary, I tell you. 100 years of academic excellence and greatness. Well in Mangu High School. Well in the alumni, great thought. So it is up to us. What can we do? Yes.
Wameweka bar very high.
You see, wanakiwa na watu wa helicopter. Lu ora tora ku ekira maguta na ki.
They have other challenges.
Yes.
But it's a good thought.
No, it's very noble, and I'm sure it's going to inspire a whole new generation of aviation experts and the Sky team. Well in KQ, well in Mang'u alumni. Abiza.
Eva iko vina 51.